Chef Peasant. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making mouth-watering. Alright, so first of all, I'll go here some lamb along with some lamb bones. I'm just gonna add it in there. 2 onions, I'm just gonna throw in there. Nice and easy. And a good pinch of black pepper, a good pinch of salt, and finally I'm just gonna add some water. Around 3 to 4 liter water to start with. Cover that in water. The heat is on medium high. Just give it a little mix. And we're gonna let it cook for around 12 to 13 hours. What we're trying to achieve here is we want these bones to break down and give us a really nice rich flavor. And inshallah we're then gonna serve it. It's gonna be amazing, trust me. Alright guys, let's check it out. Look at that. Nice and rich. You know, nicely cooked. Amazing. Alright guys, let's serve this. So first of all, I'm just gonna add a bit of that rich broth in there. Nice and easy. Look at that. Amazing. Add some freshly ground pepper in there. Just a little bit. You know, beautiful. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks delicious. You need to try this. Oh, it's winter, it's cold. Ooh. Bismillah. Wow. So rich. Wow. So good. You know what? This is so healthy for you as well. There's a lot of nutrients in this. I mean, look at that lamb. You can serve it with a bit of chili sauce as well. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down in the comment below. Salam.